I would like to welcome you to the presentation of our paper Deep Event Stereo Leveraged by Event to Image Translation. My name is Shoikat Hassan Ahmed and I will present our work on event-based stereo depth estimation. Stereo matching for depth estimation has been regarded one of the core problems in computer vision. Stereo matching framework are used traditional frame-based cameras that are prone to motion blur in high-speed scenario and have low dynamic range. So new camera sensors such as event-based cameras are emerging as alternative to the frame-based cameras in stereo setup. Event cameras are bio-inspired vision sensors that operate radically different from the standard cameras. As shown in the animation, instead of capturing dense brightness images at fixed rate, event cameras process incoming light by measuring the brightness change at each pixel independently, thereby discarding redundant visual information. Due to the operation principle, event camera have several advantageous characteristics such as low latency, high dynamic range, high temporal resolution, no motion blur, low power consumption. Several approaches have proposed for event-based stereo depth estimation. Some methods use traditional frame-based approaches such as belief propagation or semi-global matching. TSES and semi-dense 3D explicitly used camera motion information to improve depth estimation. On the other hand, Deep Dense Event Stereo or DDES proposed a deep learning-based end-to-end method for asynchronous events are spatially sparse and only contain binary intensity change information and hence do not have dense structure information as shown in the video. Spatial information in intensity images is particularly important for stereo matching as it provides structural information. However, existing approaches have used only event feature without explicitly reconstructing spatial image features. We propose an end-to-end deep event stereo architecture to provide spatial image feature from event data and use them as a guidance for the accurate stereo matching. In our paper, we propose an end-to-end deep event stereo framework that extracts the event feature leveraged by the reconstructed image feature for dense disparity map estimation. Inspired by recent studies in event-to-image translation, a novel reconstruction subnetwork is proposed to reconstruct the image feature from the event feature, which is based on dual-path encoder-decoder network with a semantic attention mechanism. A feature aggregation subnetwork is proposed to incorporate the reconstructed image feature into the event feature in a spatially adaptive modulation concept, which uses a stack-dilated spade mechanism. We construct our proposed architecture by adopting the stereo framework of DDES as baseline and with several major architectural modifications. Our proposed deep event stereo network consists of 4 subnetworks. The event embedding subnetwork contains a kernel network with continuous fully connected layer following DDES for event to feature embedding. The embedded event features are then fed to both image reconstruction subnetwork and the feature aggregation subnetwork as inputs. We propose a novel image reconstruction subnetwork for event-to-image reconstruction. The proposed image reconstruction subnetwork uses dual-path encoder-decoder subnetwork with a novel attention mechanism to obtain image feature on the same shape of the event feature. The encoder of the image reconstruction subnetwork have 2 branches named attention branch and a regular branch. Attention branch captures the global context relationship among the feature using the novel semantic attention mechanism. The regular branch extracts better feature with dilated convolutions. The output from both the regular and attention branch are concatenated channel-wise to feed into a single decoder. The decoder consists of several convolution and upsample layer which output a reconstructed intensity image and associated image features. The proposed semantic attention module consists of 2 separate attention mechanisms. Spatial context attention calculates the dependency across all the channels each spatial location in the feature map. We obtain in spatial context information in terms of channel dependency. Special context attention module takes the feature from the regular branch and the attention branch. The features are fed to a one-by-one convolution followed by an element-wise addition and a ReL operation, which is then fed another one-by-one convolution. Cross-semantic attention branch performs recalibration of the global context in the input features. It calculates channel-wise statistics from both input features and uses the information to recalibrate the features in the cross order. The recalibrated features are normalized using gating mechanism to obtain the final output feature. We modify the squeeze and excitation network to perform a recalibration. We perform a global average polling similar to the squeeze and excitation to squeeze the spatial information into a channel descriptor which generate channel-wise statistics. The channel-wise descriptor are used for the recalibration in a cross manner. The final output from the attention mechanism is obtained by multiplying the spatial context attention feature and the cross-semantic attention feature. A feature aggregation subnetwork is proposed to incorporate the reconstructed image feature into the event feature in a spatially adaptive manipulation concept. The subnetwork takes the embedded event feature and the reconstructed image feature as input and generates a fused and aggregated feature. The proposed aggregated subnetwork is based on SPADE method that modulate the existing features using the conditional feature with the learned scale and shift parameters. We modify the original SPADE for stereo matching task. The proposed conditional normalization applies the stack dilated convolution to compensate the insufficient structural information of the event feature. The stack dilated convolution uses large receptive field and hence provide discriminative spatial features. The aggregated features are fed to a stereo matching subnetwork for dense disparity estimation. In this paper, we applied the existing model used for the event stereo matching framework. For the training, the image reconstruction subnetwork, we adopt L1 plus SIM loss. For training the stereo matching subnetwork, we adopt sub-pixel cross entropy loss. Our final objective function is given by combining the image reconstruction loss and sub-pixel cross entropy loss. We evaluate using the multi-vehicle stereo event dataset. We use the indoor flying dataset from the MBSEC and divide them into 3 splits. The proposed deep event stereo network was implemented in PyTorch. The model was trained in an end-to-end manner with the RMS Prof optimizer using default settings. A single Titan XP GPU was used for training. For the proposed method, following the existing method, the inference was performed with only stereo event data. We compared our proposed method with the state-of-the-art methods for event-based stereo matching such as semi-dense 3D, SGM, TSES, DDES. We use the same evaluation protocol as prior work and compute mean depth error, median depth error, mean disparity error, and 1 pixel accuracy. It can be seen from the figure that our proposed model can provide better estimation in the edge and structure than the existing method. Our method reconstructs intensity images from the event features and use reconstructed image features as a guidance for the embedded events. As seen in the figures, the proposed method shows comparatively better dense disparity maps. Our proposed model outperforms existing state-of-the-art methods in terms of quantitative results. To evaluate the effectiveness of the proposed subnetworks and attention mechanism, we perform evaluation studies which shows that the proposed subnetwork and the attention mechanism are essential for accurate depth estimation. In conclusion, we proposed a novel end-to-end deep event stereo architecture to generate spatial image feature from the embedded event data and fuse the event feature and the reconstructed image feature with a novel feature aggregation subnetwork to perform accurate stereo event matching. The result shows that our method outperforms comparatively better than the event stereo method by significant